Welcome to the Better Bricks Selling LLLC for Retrofits e-learning course. In this course, we will review the key features that Luminaire Level Lighting Controls LLLC offers, as well as how you can utilize this technology to maximize energy savings and meet customer needs. This course is provided by Better Bricks, a commercial resource of the Northwest Energy Efficiency Alliance. By the end of this course, you will be able to 1. Articulate installation advantages of LLLC. 2. Communicate the value proposition of LLLC to influence sales. And 3. Build trust by focusing on delivering value and meeting customer needs. Let's begin by considering lighting. Lighting is unique real estate. It's elevated above us in the ceiling, is uniformly distributed, and has power at every fixture, so it's in an ideal position to do more than just illuminate the space. It can act as a sensor platform to enable Luminaire Level Lighting Control LLLC, a capability of Networked Lighting Controls (NLC). When selling a lighting retrofit project, promoting LLLC can provide the customer so much more than simply replacing inefficient luminaires with new energy-efficient fixtures. It can also compound energy savings by providing expanded control possibilities. LLLC also enables the full range of network lighting control capabilities, which offers productivity and operational advantages. There are also significant benefits for many participants in the design and implementation process. We will highlight these advantages from design through installation to facility management. As a capability of networked lighting control systems, LLLC provides factory-integrated occupancy and daylight sensors into individual luminaires, enabling each luminaire to be individually addressable for two-way communication in a digital control network. This allows unlimited control grouping scenarios, from multi-fixture zones to as granular as individual luminaire control, for significant energy savings. But let's start with some of the key energy-saving capabilities of LLLC. It provides occupancy sensing, which recognizes the presence or absence of occupants in the space and adjusts the lighting accordingly. It provides daylight sensing, which adjusts the lighting to compensate for the amount of daylight contribution. Both of these are required by Energy Code, and LLLC automatically satisfies these requirements. LLLC also incorporates other features that can provide even deeper energy savings. LLLC can incorporate continuous dimming, which is progressive gradual light level changes that are perceived as smooth, as opposed to legacy technology such as step dimming. This can optimize energy savings by continually adjusting the lighting relative to daylight contribution in a space, and also allows personalization of the lighting in a space. LLLC also incorporates high-end trim, or the ability to field configure the maximum light output level in a space, tailoring the illumination level to precise needs or preferences. This can minimize energy wasted on overlighting a space. LLLC provides luminaire and device addressability and networkability, so each addressed fixture, switch or sensor is capable of individually communicating digital data with any other fixture, switch or sensor in the room or space. This capability can be used to group luminaires to form a unique, reassignable control zone, or even assign luminaires to multiple control zones or schemes. This type of layering of control concepts can dramatically amplify energy savings. But not all the capabilities of LLLC are related to energy savings. Non-energy benefits, or NEBS, are capabilities enabled by use of luminaire-mounted sensors, which by their ubiquitous presence provide broad coverage over a space. The usefulness of these NEBS vary according to the space type, the space function, and the population and activity within the space. However, they can prove extremely valuable. In fact, the value of NEBS can sometimes outweigh the potential for LLLC energy savings in some facilities. Let's review the key capabilities of LLLCs that provide significant NEBS. With asset tracking, luminaire-mounted sensors can provide the coverage to accurately track equipment-mounted RFID asset tags, allowing you to monitor the location of mobile items. This can be useful, for example, in warehouses to locate pallet jacks and hand trucks, or in hospitals to quickly locate shared medical equipment, such as wheelchairs, supply carts, and even vital life-saving equipment. This can help avoid wasted time, or even minimize purchasing duplicate equipment to compensate for mislocated items. LLLC sensors can provide granular activity reports that can inform facility managers of warehouse traffic congestion issues or retail department visitation and flow, thus assisting with efficient space planning. Another consideration is cost savings for room cleaning. If a space is identified as not having been used during the day, the cleaning crew doesn't have to clean it. Indoor positioning and wayfinding. Utilizing two-way communication between sensors and personal devices, large campuses such as medical centers or universities can offer wayfinding assistance to select destinations via a downloaded app. Retailers can offer coupon notices for merchandise being observed or provide product location assistance. Room scheduling and occupancy tracking. Now more than ever, productivity and safety are prominent concerns. Sensors can monitor activity and confirm available rooms and spaces via a graphic dashboard. Employees can avoid wasted time searching for conference rooms by viewing occupancy status via a downloaded app. If more people enter a space, the LLLC sensors can inform the HVAC system of the increased activity and the need to bring in more fresh air. Remote diagnostics provides a real-time energy use and Luminaire performance overview. Proactive maintenance is enabled by email notification of Luminaire performance issues or outages. No more need to walk a facility looking for lighting outages. Integrating the lighting system to external systems, such as security or HVAC, can allow more consistent facility monitoring and can improve the comfort and safety of any space. For example, detection of a fire in the integrated fire alarm system could initiate a programmed brightening of egress lighting to help personnel and first responders ensure a safe directional occupant egress pathway. It can also increase energy savings and efficiency of integrated HVAC systems by providing granular sensing for more responsive heating and cooling, and to avoid conditioning vacant spaces. Consider each available LLLC capability and how it could assist your customer by addressing their unique needs. Most facilities would find at least one of these NEBs useful to their operation. Your competitors may only be offering energy savings, so LLLC is an opportunity to share these options with your customer, so they can make informed decisions. These advantages can be communicated to customers as part of your selling process. The sales process begins with understanding your customer's operation and their immediate and future needs. You can achieve this by asking questions of people using the space. Ask permission to talk to the tenants or employees. This insight will assist you in identifying applicable energy and non-energy benefits that LLLC provides. With all these features, it's easy to understand how retrofitting to a new fixture or kit with LLLC can save customers up to 75% more energy. LEDs already possess an inherent ability to start, stop, and dim without causing source degradation, so LLLC allows us to fully optimize LED capabilities. But even more exciting is LLLC's capabilities beyond energy savings, as illustrated in the NEBS descriptions. This is truly where you can customize innovative solutions that deliver value to your customer. And LLLC can be applied to a wide range of projects. You can provide the latest and greatest new construction technology as a simple retrofit solution, upgrading existing buildings and increasing their productivity, safety, comfort, and leasing value, all while automatically meeting energy codes at the same time. In many cases, seeing is believing, and LLLC's technology allows customers to complete retrofits in phases, providing an initial room-based smart lighting and control system without the full-blown investment of a building-wide standalone control system. This type of phased approach can lower the barriers for customers to get started on a retrofit. It's lower risk, a smaller initial investment, and less disruptive. Once your customer experiences LLLC, they will likely focus on how they can upgrade their entire facility. LLLC can actually lower the cost of installation based on its simple, integrated controls. Instead of designing, ordering, delivering, staging, installing, and wiring a variety of individual control components, with LLLC, fixtures arrive on site with integrated sensors. Simply connect to any power lead, regardless of the circuiting or switching. LLLC is a simple, out-of-the-box solution and is easy to install and commission. In addition, because LLLC-enabled fixtures are typically mated by the manufacturer with partner devices, such as drivers, sensors, and switches, potential incompatibility issues, such as dimming inconsistencies or LED flicker, are avoided, assuring best lighting performance. LLLC provides facility layout flexibility, allowing reconfiguration of the controls anytime, via an app downloaded to a personal device, without rewiring or dealing with hard-to-access ceilings. This ability to adapt to space function or layout changes is often referred to as future-proofing. With many systems, customers can add capabilities over time, such as HVAC system integration. Customers can install an LLLC system now and upgrade or expand later as needs change. Lastly, be sure to reach out to your local utility to confirm any financial incentives available for LLLC. Many utilities offer a high incentive for the significant energy savings potential of LLLC. These incentives can help offset the initial cost of LLLC and lower the payback period for a retrofit project. We know that LED lighting is long-lasting. We must help customers understand the cost of not selecting controls at the time of an upgrade. Customers who invest in LLLC today will ensure the future ability to adapt to changing space needs. Learn more at www.betterbricks.com. Thank you. You've completed the Selling LLLC for Retrofits e-learning course. Feel free to exit the course or click the Restart button to begin again.